Before you commit to Clearstream for your church management needs, there are several things you should know. In this video, we'll go over 12 key points that can help you decide if it's the right choice for your church, especially in comparison to other software like Planning Center and Breeze. First off, Clearstream stands out with its text messaging features. Unlike other platforms, it focuses heavily on communication, allowing for easy mass texting and individual messages. This makes it a solid choice if your church relies on text communication but doesn't need a full-fledged suite of tools. Next thing, Clearstream's pricing model is straightforward. It uses a paper message system, which can be more affordable for smaller churches or those that don't need to send messages constantly. However, if you're sending high volumes, this pricing could add up quickly compared to other platforms that offer flat rate pricing. The third thing to consider is its integrations. Clearstream offers limited integrations with third-party apps, which might be a deal breaker for churches using specialized systems for donations or event planning. Competitors like Planning Center and Breeze provide broader integration options, which might save you time in the long run. The fourth thing, the user interface. Clearstream is designed to be simple and easy to use, especially for people who are not very tech savvy. However, while it's great for simplicity, some users have mentioned that it feels a bit too basic compared to more robust solutions like Planning Center, which offers more features in a similar price range. Now let's talk about the fifth thing, customer support. Clearstream's support team is known for being responsive, offering live chat and email assistance. But, again, when compared to competitors like Breeze, which offers more in-depth knowledge bases and video tutorials, Clearstream can feel a little less comprehensive in terms of self-help resources. The sixth thing is its event management tools. While Clearstream does offer basic event management, it's nothing compared to the more advanced tools that other platforms provide, like Planning Center, which allows for detailed event scheduling, volunteer management, and custom workflows. Next, the seventh thing, donation tracking. Clearstream doesn't offer built-in donation tracking, which might be a downside for churches that want everything in one platform. You'll need to rely on third-party apps or manual tracking, something that platforms like Breeze handle seamlessly within their system. The eighth thing, ease of use. One of Clearstream's strengths is that it's very intuitive. Getting started is quick, and even users without much technical experience can easily set it up. This is a key advantage over more complicated systems like Planning Center, which can take time to get used to. The ninth thing, customizability. Clearstream offers limited customization options, especially when it comes to branding and forms. If you're looking for a highly customizable experience, you might find Clearstream lacking compared to platforms like Breeze or Planning Center that allow for more extensive customization. The 10th thing is its mobile app. Clearstream's mobile app is well rated, allowing users to manage communications on the go. However, when compared to the more feature-rich mobile apps of competitors like Planning Center, Clearstream's app is a bit more basic and limited in functionality. 11th thing to consider is the scalability. Clearstream works well for small to medium-sized churches, but if your church grows significantly, you might find the platform's features a bit limiting. Larger churches often prefer more comprehensive solutions like Planning Center or Breeze, which can scale with their needs. The 12th and final thing is the community. Clearstream's user community is smaller than that of bigger platforms, which can make finding help or inspiration a little harder. Platforms like Breeze and Planning Center have large user communities, offering plenty of shared resources and user experiences. In conclusion, Clearstream is a solid option for churches that prioritize simple, affordable communication tools without needing a full suite of features. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution that can handle everything from donations to event planning, you might want to check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it fits your needs better.